You think Frankenstein was just a story? Mary Shelley would like a word, because in 1954, a Soviet surgeon named Vladimir Demikhov made the monster real. He didn't transplant a kidney, didn't swap a heart, take a puppy, severed its head and front paws, and grafted them onto the neck of a full-grown German shepherd. And then it lived. Both heads blinked, both heads turned. The puppy head lapped milk while the adult head watched. It yawned, it bit the shepherd's ear. They survived for weeks. The world called him a butcher, a demon in a lab coat. But Demikhov had a defense. He said, "I'm not making monsters. I'm proving that life can be moved." Organ transplantation, that was the goal. And here's the thing that'll haunt you. He was right. Those nightmares in his lab, they became the blueprint for the first human heart transplant. So was he evil, or did he just see the future before we were ready for it? Hit subscribe if you want more history that bites back.